Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel. To empower the people of any geographical territory, the importance of infrastructural developments can never go neglected. For uplifting the standard of lives of people, the need of the hour is to have holistic, inclusive economic growth. On that note, in this video, we will go on a virtual voyage to understand the various mega projects coming up in the state of Orissa. Before that, if you're new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to smash the like button and click on the bell icon positively. Odisha is an Indian state located in eastern India. It is the 8th largest state by area and the 11th largest by population. The state has the 3rd largest population of scheduled tribes in India. The modern boundaries of Odisha were demarcated by the British Indian government when Orissa province was established on 1st April 1936, consisting of the Odia speaking districts of Bihar and Orissa province. The economy of Odisha is the 16th largest state economy in India with 5.33 lakh crore in gross domestic product and a per capita GDP of $1,600. Odisha is experiencing steady economic growth. The impressive growth in gross domestic product of the state has been reported by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Odisha's growth rate is above the national average. Odisha has abundant natural resources and a large coastline. It consists a fifth of India's coal, a quarter of its iron ore, a third of its bauxite reserves, and most of the chromite. Rourkela steel plant was the first integrated steel plant in the public sector in India, which was built with collaboration of Germany. Odisha has a network of roads, railways, airports and seaports. Bhubaneswar is well connected by air, rail and road with the rest of India. Odisha has a total of 2 operational airports, 17 airstrips and 16 helipads. Now that we have understood the various specific attributes of the state of Orissa, let us tap into the top 5 biggest mega projects which are all set to give an all-round fillip to the state's economy. To make it more interesting, we will move in the descending order depending on the nature of project. The mega project which grabs the 5th position is the Rourkela Hockey Stadium. The Birsa Munda International Hockey Stadium is an under construction hockey stadium that is being constructed in Rourkela, which is of course in India. The stadium is being built to host the 2023 Men's FIH Hockey World Cup, which will be held in the Indian state of Odisha. The stadium has been named after the tribal leader Birsa Munda, who was a famous freedom fighter. The total capacity of the stadium will be 20,000 and once completed, it will be the largest hockey stadium in India. This will be the 4th time India will host this event, and it will also be the 2nd time the World Cup will be hosted in Odisha. The 2023 version of the cup will be held jointly between 2 cities in the state of Odisha, which are Bhubaneswar and Rourkela. Along with the Birsa Munda International Hockey Stadium, the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar will be the other venue of the event. Therefore, the hockey stadium will meet the needs of the youngsters and help strengthen the sporting ecosystem of not only the state but also the country. Moving to the 4th in this glorious list is the highly anticipated new Bhubaneswar Airport. The new Bhubaneswar Airport is a proposed 2nd airport to serve the city of Bhubaneswar, which is the capital of Odisha. The central government plans to construct a new international airport capable of handling wide body operations to serve the city and support increased air travel demand to the region by 2022 or 2023. Construction costs have not been advised. Airports Authority of India had issued a proposal for the development of a new international airport within 20 to 30 km of Bhubaneswar Biju Patnaik Airport in Odisha to support increased air travel demand in the region. AAI estimated that the Odisha state government would need to procure 1,500 to 2,000 acres of land for the proposed airport development project. The resulting airport is expected to be equipped with wide-body aircraft operations unlike existing Bhubaneswar Airport. In the times to come, the new airport will proliferate tourism in the spiritual state of Orissa. The 3rd mega project in this list is the most ambitious Biju Expressway. The Odisha government approved the 4-laning of the 174.5 km Biju Expressway that runs through Kalahandi and Nuapada, boosting connectivity, trade and industrial activity in two of the state's 10 aspirational districts that have remained economically backward. The Biju Expressway in the Nuapada district will be 104.65 km long with 6 minor and major bridges. A 69.85 km stretch of the Biju Expressway will pass through the Kalahandi district with 11 minor and 2 major bridges being built. This will not only improve connectivity in western Odisha but also give the region a boost in terms of industrial growth and overall economic development. The Narendra Modi government's Aspirational Districts program aimed to transfer 115 backward districts in 28 states by combining central and state schemes which are Sundargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Badgar, Nuapada, Kalahandi, Nabarangpur and Koraput are the other 8 aspirational districts in Odisha. The mega project which holds firmly the second position in this list is the iconic Dhamra port. The port was taken over by Adani Ports and SEZ in June 2014. The Dhamra Port Company Limited is a 100% subsidiary of Adani Ports and SEZ. DPCL has been awarded a concession by Government of Odisha to build and operate a port north of the mouth of river Dhamra in Bhadrak district on BOOST basis, which is build, own, operate, share and transfer, for a total period of 34 years, including a period of 4 years for construction. Dhamra is one of the deep draft ports of India which can accommodate super capsize vessels. It is an all-weather, multi-user, multi-cargo port poised to become the largest and most efficient port in the east coast of India. Situated between Haldia and Paradeep, Dhamra port is in close proximity to the mineral belt of Odisha, Jharkhand and West Bengal, which offers deepened hinterland connectivity and operational efficiency. With deep draft berths and multi-purpose terminals, the port efficiently will handle the largest bulk carriers in the world. The port has covered and open storage areas with enormous capacity. It provides best-in-class infrastructure for coastal movement and smooth rail connectivity, which eliminates multiple handling and results in reduced handling losses. Shifting our focus to the mega project which sits in the first position, which is none other than Bhubaneswar Smart City. Bhubaneswar Smart City, through participatory decision-making, responsible governance and open access to information technology, is to be a transit-oriented city with a compact urban form that promotes active, connected and sustainable mobility choices. Livable city providing diverse range of housing, education and recreational opportunities while enhancing its heritage, art and traditional communities. Child-friendly city providing accessible, safe, inclusive and vibrant public spaces will also be a part of the Bhubaneswar Smart City project. The eco-city coexisting in harmony with nature for nurturing a resilient, clean energy and green environment has already been included in the mega project. The regional economic center attracting knowledge-based enterprises and sustainable tourism activities by leveraging and empowering its institutions, local businesses and will also be a part of the Bhubaneswar Smart City project. Bhubaneswar's proposal envisions to retrofit and redevelop 985 acres centered around main railway station in heart of the city to a vibrant 24/7 destination. Bhubaneswar's state-of-the-art intelligent city operations and management center is at the core of its pan-city proposal. With this, we come to the end of the video. However, there are multiple infra projects lined up in the state of Odisha, like the redevelopment of Puri railway station, new Paradeep port expansion, lighthouse projects and Digha Gopalpur coastal highway. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated about various mega projects coming up across the length and breadth of the country. Bidding adieu with the promise that coming up next is the high growth potential state of Rajasthan. It will be interesting to watch out how the state looks forward to carrying the aspirations of the people on its shoulders. Thank you for watching this video.